I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry from scratch using an easy method. First, let's talk about preparation. Having everything ready before you start cooking is key to a successful stir-fry. Gather your fresh vegetables and protein, then wash, chop, and slice them into uniform pieces. Marinate your protein for at least 15 minutes to infuse it with delicious flavor. This simple step makes a big difference. Now let's cook your protein perfectly. Heat a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Once hot, add your marinated protein in a single layer, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully browned and cooked through. Then, remove the protein and set it aside. We will add it back later. Next, it's time for the vibrant vegetables. Add another tablespoon of oil to your hot pan. Start with harder vegetables like carrots, broccoli, or green beans, stir-frying them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, add softer vegetables such as bell peppers, mushrooms, or snap peas, cooking for just 1 more minute. This layering ensures every vegetable retains its perfect texture and color. For the grand finale, let's bring it all together. Return your perfectly cooked protein to the pan with the vibrant, stir-fried vegetables. Now, pour your delicious stir-fry sauce evenly over all the ingredients. Toss everything gently for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to coat every piece and thicken slightly. Serve immediately over rice or noodles for a truly satisfying and easy meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.